Hello guys! So ayan, sa hindi pa nakakalam dito sa Title Treasure Hunt, so ayan, papakita ko lang sa inyo guys. So ito naman yung kanyang rules. Ayan, babasahin nyo na lang yan guys. And then, pwede kayo manali dito ng diamonds. Ayan, pwede kayo makakuha dito ng 5 diamonds, 30, and 1,000. So ayan. Then dito naman is chow. Ayan, ito yung pwede yung makuha guys. At diba? And then, ang gagawin nyo lang dito is para makadraw kayo and makakuha kayo nitong Treasure Hunt coins. Siyempre, magta-test kayo. Ayan, log into the game, complete one match ng Classic Rank Brawl or MLB Rising Open, and then win one match. And then dito naman is weekly task. Ayan, ang gagawin nyo guys, reset every Friday. And then catch up task. Ayan lang yung gagawin nyo guys. And then sa pag-draw na rin, is pwede nyo makuha itong si Yuzong, yung skin niya guys. Ayan. So, kailangan nyo lang makaipon itong Title Crystal. And then, meron din dito in-match resources. Ayan, marami kayong pwede makuha guys. And other rewards. Ay, diba? So, ano pa hinihintay nyo guys? Pasok na sa Title Treasure Hunt. Mula April 30 hanggang June 28 lang yan guys. So, ayan. Thank you so much.